How to delete Exness account permanently. Hello everybody, welcome back to another video. In this video we're going to learn how we can delete the Exness account permanently using an app. So without any further delay, let's begin with the video. But before beginning, I want you to make sure to hit the like, share and subscribe icon. So in order to delete the Exness account, you need to download the Exness app on your device. You can easily find it on Google Play Store. Just simply download it from there and log in into your account that you want to delete. After that, you'll be able to see this home screen interface on your screen. So in order to delete it, you just need to simply tap on your profile. After there, you'll see a bunch of options here, but we need to tap on settings, the gear icon at the top right. Just tap on it. And when you scroll down, you'll be able to see a delete account option. You may simply tap on delete account and you can see this contact support section. So in order to permanently delete your Exness account, you need to reach out to the support at exness.com and tell them how you want to delete your account and go further with the process of deletion. So therefore, by following that method, you can delete your account permanently on Exness. So therefore, I hope this video was helpful to you and thank you for watching this video.